In IC engine, which part is known as column? In internal combustion engines, the connecting rod is known as the column. Which one has greater efficiency for the same compression ratio? Diesel engine or petrol engine? As far as bookish knowledge is concerned, well, at both constant heat addition and heat rejection, the Otto cycle will give more thermal efficiency than diesel cycle, as the area under the PV diagram to heat supplied ratio is greater for Otto cycle. But if you look this thing practically, and let's say that compression ratio is 16 for instance, then the petrol engine will not even work, as there will be a huge detonation in it. But diesel engine will run fine and its efficiency will be larger. At, let's say, for compression ratio of 6, the petrol engine will run fine, but diesel engine will not even start as the auto ignition is not reached. So this efficiency of auto or the petrol engine being greater than diesel works only for the compression ratio below 10 to 12. Other than practically diesel cycle has greater efficiency. So the perfect answer for this question would be on the theoretical basis. For same compression ratio, petrol engine has greater efficiency than diesel engine. Otto cycle or petrol engine cycle rejects lesser heat for the same compression ratio than the diesel engine cycle. That's why it has better efficiency for same compression ratio. However, you must add to this answer that this is a theoretical assumption. In practical sense, you can explain what I have told earlier in the explanation of the question.